What's up, memes? Welcome back to the vibes, and I'm here with how I colored this hair and toned this 613 wig. If you are new here, please refer to the last video, and if you did not see the last video, it is the video where I did a review on this unit and kind of talked about the brand and explain the products that I liked and things of that nature. So just go check that out before you watch this video, I urge you. And before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I always can never say that damn word. Subscribe, hit the post notifications bell. So I'm going in with my purple shampoo, and this is my favorite brand. I really like this brand, and as you can see, your girl is on her last. I'm literally trying to get as much as I can out of this bottle, okay? The name of the brand is Blonde Brilliance, and they offer even bleach, purple shampoos, and I believe other toners as well. So as you can see, I got the Sink Pretty Purple, and I'm just dipping the unit. For some strange reason, this particular 613 unit, strips of the hair was turning extremely purple, so your girl started to panic, and I'm like, wait a minute, because it completely looked like I stained this wig, and we did not want to do that. So I ended up going in with my Baskin Lather shampoo. It's a sulfate-free shampoo, and it's really good at making those suds and creating this beautiful lather, and that actually was helping me strip those purple strips out of the hair. So as you see me, I'm just really massaging that color out and really trying to get any trace of that purple out of this wig. Alright guys, now that we got a good amount of that yellow toned out of this unit, I'm going to show you the colors that I opted to use for this wig, and I'm super excited. So I ended up going with the dark neutral blonde, the very light ultra cool blonde, and the light red blonde. These colors I used in like a little variation in a pattern, and I'm just going to show you guys how I did that. So these are the colors individually in bowls, so that I can just apply and keep going until I run out of product and just skip every other space of hair. And it's going to get a little redundant, so I'm just going to show you the first few pieces, and then we're going to speed it up towards the end of the video. Remember guys, these are your creations when you're doing these things and coloring your units and being creative with the colors that you're choosing. So just remember not to be too hard and tragic on yourself. I wanted to focus like the darker color more under my wig. So basically when I lift the wig up, you see more darker highlights. So the first color I decided to use was the dark neutral blonde, and I'm just taking that and putting that all over this piece of hair, and I'm going to go in with some aluminum foil, and that's just going to help the hair process quicker and then just really lighten or get the highest lift possible. And I'm going to tell you, I think I used 20 volume developer. Yes, I did a 20 volume developer, no higher than a 20, because you do not want to damage the hair or dry the hair out drastically. And for the next piece, I decided to use the very light ultra cool blonde. And I don't even know why I use this big ass piece of aluminum foil. Well, I guess you need to fold it. So, okay, we good. I guess you need to fold it. So I think I did it right, but that was such a little piece of hair. But okay, go off, sis. But I did that, put that on the hair, and then you're just gonna repeat this process. You can actually leave some of the tone pieces, like regular pieces of the wig, alone. You don't have to put color on every single piece of this unit. The idea is to just give a beautiful highlighted look, so you can kind of just skip every other piece or skip two pieces. Whatever pattern works for you is the pattern that I would do. For this piece, I'm doing the red blonde, I believe, yes, because it's more of a reddish tone, so like a strawberry blonde almost. And I'm going to fold with the aluminum foil and then just move on to the rest of the unit. just a tip, you can go real crazy on the rest of the head or the track areas. When you get to the top where that lace is, honey, listen, take your time. You do not want to stay in your lace, especially on a 613, because you're going to have what's supposed to look like scalp. It's just going to be dark spots of these hair colors, and you don't want that. So if you got to go in with your fingers, a tiny brush, take your time. And now that we're done, this is the final result. This is how my wig look. It looks a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie, because I know you like, I hope these colors are not the colors I'm gonna get when I wash this out. But I'm going to wash the wig, curl it, and blow dry it, and this is the final result. Baby, do you see those highlights? Do you see those dark pieces? Just gorgeous. If you love this video, give a thumbs up and comment below if you love this look, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.